Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and a very warm sunny welcome with this gorgeous example today, the Peugeot 108 Active, finished in the incomparable purple berry metallic. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit closer so you can see the depth of colour that brings, the metallic fleck. It just looks immense. Now what the 108 represents, of course, is great value for money. It also gives you very low running costs, flexibility of usage, you're not going to have to fill it up every single day, and of course great style and character. So my job here today is to show you around it in depth and see if you want to discuss the next steps with my friend Big Tom just in the window just there. Now moving down, you can see you've got here your xenon headlighting, LED daytime runners, got your front fog lights down here as well, of course, in the black plastics around, black plastic vertical slats, horizontal slats, sorry, on there, chrome with a horizontal. In there you can see the Peugeot with a badge as well, really nice, that colour. You've got your alloy wheel trims on there as well, of course they are the 15-inch side repeater. You've got the black plastic all the way around the mirror. You've also got a body coloured door mirror just there. Around the windows at the top half you've got the body colour in that purple berry. Pop out rear window, you've got a satin wrapped here, of course, from factory, you can see on the B pillar to save any issues. Gorgeous colour that is. Body coloured door handles, and then at the back you've got almost a 90-degree straight surface just there, which is great in terms of parking aid and being able to understand how much room you've got when you are in tricky manoeuvres. You've also got a high level lip spoiler with a brake light, glass hatch, rear wiper, and of course a real nice wide rear end. Now to open it, click this button, you'll hear it unlock. It is only, of course, the glass latch, and in there it's not very big as such as a boot in terms of depth, but what you can do in terms of width, it's quite wide, so you can easily get a pushchair, stroll out bike or anything else. And don't forget, if you do want to pull the seats forward, you can fold these forward as well, so they fold flat, meaning you've got loads of room for extra amounts of storage. Now what you can do, be careful when you close, because this is all glass, just gently, don't slam it too hard. And you can see from every angle that purple berry metallic is just absolutely something else. It looks like someone spilt a bottle of Ribena all over it. Oh, it's just fantastic. And there you go, so that is the exterior in a nutshell. Let me head on inside now and show you all the features this has to offer you on the interior. And we shall start off by opening the door, and you can see you're greeted by a massive character and charm, something that the French brand have been doing for quite a few years now. They make cars that are just fun. You've got your Burberry-esque check on there, you've got the beige, the purple, the grey, you've got the gorgeous all-in-one sculpted sport seats, manually adjustable, really smart. No door inlay on there, of course they don't have any chrome. You've got the gorgeous door colour all the way on the interior as well, black plastic on the surround with electric windows. And then in the rear you can see you've got dual seating, full isofix, and a little flavour of that checkered design as well. And you can see minimalistic approach, but you don't need in this. You're going to go and drive it and you're going to have loads of fun in doing so. You're definitely going to enjoy taking your friends out, and it's just a car that makes you smile, there's no doubt about it. On the dash, of course, you can see you've got that gorgeous metallic silver. You've got your phone holders, which your previous owners had on there as well. You've got your touchscreen system, and you've got your aircon as well just here. Now to turn it on, foot on the brake, turn your key 3/4, let it load up, let it get sorted, turn it on, turn the aircon down, open the windows. But you can see no hesitation, no delay, no lag, and most importantly, no warning lights on the dash. Instead, you've got the singular clock in the middle, which gives you everything, and here of course you've got your digital speedo or your digital odometer meter. So what that'll do is tell you it's covered just under 43,000 miles. You've got your fuel range and the gear that you're currently in. On this side you've got your headlights, your high beam, and on this side you have of course got your wiper settings as well. Moving down just here you can see you've got your fuel cap release, instrument cluster lighting, and just here, if I can zoom in, I'm not sure you can see it, just try and find a way to showcase it. Just there you can see you've got your traction control as well. Now surprisingly, on the back of this you've also got paddle shift, which means you can really hop in and out and have a super immersive and engaging driving experience. Especially good if you're in bad weather such as snow and you need to control the rev changes. Really smart. Steering wheel is full leather. You've got a concave base, piano gloss black inlay, you've got Bluetooth, telephone, volume control and audio source. And then you move up and you can see now you've got your touch screen media system. Really smart. If you click on settings you can see DAB, you've got all your different options on there. If you of course click up here you've got so many different options. So if you click on here, audio source, FM, AM, DAB, Bluetooth, you got your auxiliary and USB. You can also click on your Bluetooth telephone, you can select your phone such as Emma and Linda have done in the past, and then of course you can also get on here for your phone connection for your apps as well. You've got the time, the date, and of course you've got your temperature, but most importantly you've got DAB. Moving down from that you've got your aircon, your hazard lights, and a nice little speaker here. Of course you can see air force controlled using this button just here, temperature controlled using the dial, aircon, heated rear screen. Of course here you've got where the air is distributed into the cabin, and here using this dial you can have recirculation or air that comes in from the outside. Underneath, 12-volt charger, USB and auxiliary. You've also of course got storage, dual cup holder. Then we come down to the automatic gearbox, really simple to use. Push it all the way up, you can see you've got R just there. You'll know you're in reverse, you'll hear it beep and you'll see the R. Neutral, just push it down once, move it down again. So of course what you want to do, push it down into E, that'll tell you E for drive. And then of course you've also got your manual mode here. If you wish, you'll see you'll have M. You can change up and down the gears freely as you please using that. So that again can be used, push it down to change up the gear, push it up to change down the gear. Really effective. And finally you've got your manual handbrake, which ensures lots of fun on McDonald's car parks if you're anything like me. But for me, the 108 is just a stylish little charmer. It does everything well, and it does it without costing you the end of the earth. Like this, so you can just get in, drive, and have plenty of smiles when doing so. Ideal for a first car, ideal for a city car, ideal for a small family car, or even if it's just a car you want for running round 2 to 3 times a week. Now, what's also great about this car is that it has passed the 128 point Emerald check prior to retailing, meaning that this car of course has been thoroughly inspected both cosmetically and mechanically in terms of preparation at our on-site RAC approved facility. We've also put the answers to that test and all the results online on the vehicle advert under vehicle inspection sheet for you to see. Now, if you are looking for a dealership known as probably the best car dealership in the UK, or a dealership that won the award last year for Used Car Retailer of the Year, then guess what? You're in the right place. We can offer this car to you as a click and deliver option, where you purchase it directly from the comfort of your own home without having to move a muscle. You can ring us, get finance quotes, send applications, get signed up, and of course get any part exchange prices as well. And in terms of finance, the APR rate starts as low as 7.9%, subject to approval. So if you want to know what the Emerald experience is all about, why people give us rave reviews, get in touch and see what we can do for you. We hope you've enjoyed the video, but more importantly, we hope to see you soon. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show, which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course, everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10. I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the 11.
But it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you a 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.